Let's make a spatchcocked whole chicken. Pat it down. Good for some stock. We're gonna make a little cut right behind the breastbone, flip it around, press, it'll crack it. And fix its spine. Now it's flat. Now we're gonna start seasoning. Gonna be using Sucklebuster's lemon pepper, garlic, and hog waller on this. Good combination of flavors. Gonna go heavy on both the back and the front. I always season the backside first and then the presentation last. Keep it nice and pretty for the camera. Gonna throw this in the fridge for a few hours, let it dry up, then we're gonna throw it on the pit boss. A couple hours later, looking nice and dry. I'm gonna fold these wings up before I put them out there. We're gonna be tracking this cook with a ThermoPro Temp Spike Plus, just like my other cooks. Breasts at about like 155, 157, right into the middle of the breast. Let's put it on the smoker. This chicken's gonna take roughly about an hour and a half at 350 degrees. I'll usually run this between 350 to 375. Chicken absorbs smoke real quick and you wanna crisp that skin up. So we're gonna go ahead and make a little bit of gravy. So we're gonna start with a roux, which is a tablespoon each flour and fat. And that's gonna be mixed in with 2 cups of homemade chicken stock. Then we're gonna add in the rest of our flavors. We're gonna use chicken bouillon, lemon juice, a little bit of Sucklebuster's hog waller, soy sauce, a W sauce, a little bit of butter at the end, add that nice little bit of shine to it. And let's go ahead and check that temp, 156. Let's pull it off. It's gonna carry on over into the 160, 165 range. Be perfect for slicing. Listen to that crispy skin. We're gonna take a quarter off first. Gotta love that dark meat. Personally, that's my favorite. Still crispy. Cut that breast off nice and juicy. Look at that juice run. The next part of the video got corrupted, so it's gonna be kind of out of focus and I lost a lot of footage. But if you like this kind of content, like, comment, subscribe for more. We'll see you next time. Pour that gravy over that beautiful chicken, get some taste tests in, and you know Samson's got to get some if it's good. We'll see you next time.